13572 Heidi Way. Nice, long, flat. Heidi Way is a very private, very nice, quiet, really open space over here. Tahoe Donner Street. Big driveway, tons of room in between neighbors. There's nice open space in the back here. So this house is listed at $1,250,000, $1,250,000. Looks like it's recently been stained. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus a. This is cool. I mean, I like this entry. I like the stairs. Metal roof. It's good for shedding. It all sheds in the appropriate places, so that's positive. Come in upstairs. Primary is on this level. Newer, this looks like some white oak floors. I don't know why I didn't turn on all these lights when I first came in here. Kitchen has been updated. Nice big living space. Wood burning stove. So there's 3 bedrooms, plus there's a 4th, like either bedroom, living space. We'll get to that. Nice open space in here. Super outside deck area. Nice in the trees feeling now. Janine, this is on the other side of Tahoe Donner from Trout Creek, but this might be worth it. I like this property, $1,250,000. You can see the deck's got stairs going down. Nice farmhouse sink. I would bet a lot of this house is staged, but I can find out. KitchenAid appliances. Good size island. So on this level, there is a guest bedroom here. Bathroom on, this is the guest bathroom, or also the powder room. Nice primary here that goes out to the deck. Deck's got newer railings. Good sized bedroom, but not too big. This little seating loft. There's the backyard. Got a lot of trees that are marked to be taken out. I'm assuming they're taking those out. I haven't even looked at, I don't know the exact square footage or the year of this house. Bathtub there for Nate. Actually has a cool little view. Just to the trees, to the forest, but I like it. It's original bathrooms. It's all right though. Okay, so let's go downstairs. So upstairs was a primary and a guest. Bathroom that was a full bath. We come down. So a little landing area from the garage. Garage's size is fine. Big double wide door. I mean, it's a little tight on that side because that workbench comes out, but I like that workbench. I like that storage. It's probably the utilities over there in that closet. I didn't look in there yet. So down here, before I go into the guest, so here's the third bathroom. Okay. This is the third bedroom. Outside. Nice size room. Okay, then we come through here. We've got like a kind of utility area, laundry, of course. Some storage, game area. Then you go into here. Bang. We've got bunks. It's just a closet, yeah. It's a big closet. Bunks. And a whole kid area. Look at this. It's probably a gas stove over there. I'll look closer. TV set up. And you got sliders outside. I mean, you could probably maybe figure out a way to put a hot tub out there. I know that's not really a priority for you guys, but it's cool access outside. There's gas right there. I like this room. Okay, so this is your fourth room, right? Good little separated area for the kids. Now what you're giving up here, this is not right by Trout Creek, but in the backyard there's trails you could go. Would that be west towards, kind of basically west, at the end of Copenhagen, across there, what's that area called? The trails, is it Tetons, that road? Anyway, nice big open space here. Plenty of room there for a bigger table if you wanted. I mean, the street is really quiet. This is a good one. This one, I don't think will last long. I know that your obviously favorite location is the other side, but this is a good house. All right, I forgot the address. I think it was 13572 Heidi. Checking out here.